everyone, this is Rudra welcoming you to RS Gaming Evolution. So, due to some reason, recently I had to reset my laptop that is having Windows 11, and as soon as I did that, while I was opening Microsoft Security or was trying to open Microsoft Defender, either I was getting this blank screen or either I was getting this message that page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app, and the item you try to access is not available. Contact IT help desk for more information. So I was so frustrated that I watched so many YouTube videos. I read a lot of like pages of Microsoft Help. I read a lot of pages of Reddit, but all I could see that people were saying that I should run CMD as an administrator and copy and paste these programs. This same solution was given on YouTube as well, on Reddit as well as Microsoft. So this just did not work. Like, I'll tell you honestly, I did as Microsoft help desk said, as YouTubers said, nothing happened. Nothing happened. The second solution I tried, it was to install a new antivirus. It did not make any difference. To uninstall pre-installed like McAfee, sometime it is pre-default installed on your computer with 30 days trial period. I did uninstall that, it did not work. I used PowerShell, it did not work. Basically, I tried everything I could. Even I checked whether actually I had an administrator or whether I was using a company account or something like that. Nothing was there. After 3-4 days, finally I found a solution that is going to 110% work. If it doesn't, I guarantee you that I'll delete this video as well as my YouTube channel. The solution is this. This is a file named Security Health Setup. The file, all you have to do is just download it from here and run it as an administrator. Make sure you run this file as an administrator. As soon as you do that, just restart your system and you'll be able to see that your security setup is completely working. You can see like Microsoft Defender as well as any other antivirus you have installed. Now, what my suggestion is, first of all, before you start this security health setup.exe, make sure your system is updated. Second, make sure that your system should not have any other third-party antivirus installed. Anything. It should not be McAfee or Bitdefender. It should not be anything else. Your system antivirus by default should be Microsoft Defender, and then just run this security health setup.exe as an administrator. Restart your computer and you'll be able to see your Microsoft like security setup. After doing that, you can install any antivirus as well. As you can see, I have installed Bitdefender. It is completely fine. Even I can use Microsoft Defender periodic scanning as well. So everything is normal. So guys, nothing else is going to work. This is the only thing that will work. I am mentioning the link on description. Please do download it and let me know your feedback in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day to you.